If you want to download PowerPoint on your laptop or PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple methods. First, I'll show you the official Microsoft method, which is the best option if you want the full desktop app. Then I'll show you a free online version you can use right inside your browser. This is a great tutorial whether you're setting up PowerPoint for school, work, presentations, or personal use. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. The first and best method is to download PowerPoint from the official Microsoft website. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft website. Once the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you can use that account right away. If you don't have one yet, you may need to buy a Microsoft 365 plan first because PowerPoint is included as part of the Office apps. After you're signed in, look for the option that says Install Office. This is the button that will start the download for Microsoft Office, which includes PowerPoint. Click Install Office and your browser will begin downloading the setup file. Once the file finishes downloading, open it to begin the installation process. On most laptops and PCs, you'll see a setup window appear, and all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will handle the rest for you. Depending on your internet speed and computer, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, PowerPoint will be installed automatically with the rest of the Office apps. That means you don't usually download PowerPoint by itself from Microsoft. Instead, it comes as part of Office. After the installation finishes, you can open PowerPoint from your Start menu or desktop and sign in again if needed to activate your subscription. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is the free online version. If you don't want to install anything right now, or you just need to use PowerPoint quickly, this is a very useful option. Open your browser and go to office.com. Once the site opens, sign in with your Microsoft account. After you're logged in, you'll see the Office homepage. From there, click on PowerPoint. This opens PowerPoint directly in your browser so you can create, edit, and view presentations online without downloading the full desktop app. It's a convenient option for basic tasks, especially if you're using a shared computer or don't have admin access to install software. Keep in mind that the web version may have fewer features than the full desktop app, but for many users, it's more than enough to get started. So to quickly recap, if you want the full version of PowerPoint on your laptop or PC, go to Microsoft's official website, sign in, install Office, and PowerPoint will be included automatically. If you want a free browser-based option, go to office.com, sign in, and open PowerPoint online. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.